This mobile healthcare van is brightening up people's lives. CAFOD is part of Caritas, a church network with experts all around the world. That means we can respond quickly when a disaster strikes. During terrible floods in Pakistan in 2022, this van served as a mobile clinic, funded by CAFOD supporters and providing life-saving treatment. Ayra's mother, Sultana, brought her to the mobile clinic for treatment. In Pakistan, trucks are painted in a bright and colourful style, celebrating people, places and events. Truck artist Ali Salman Anchan decorated the van to celebrate the stories of people like Ayra who lived through the floods.
We put our identities, stories, faith and culture into this truck. Whenever it goes, bring joy to the people.
Ayra's mother said,
"We are happy to see the painting on the truck. I'm filled with joy, and so is my daughter."
CAFOD does not leave after a disaster, but works alongside communities as they build a better future. So, the truck is on the road again, supporting more of our global neighbours who are sick, and brightening up more people's lives.